fifth standard. Today we will learn factors and multiplications. Okay, you can see here, this is your revision exercise, page number 94. 16 by multiplication method. We have already learned this method in the 4th standard as well as in 5th standard in before lectures. Okay, today I am going to revision. Just mind here, you have to find out multiplication of 16. So we have to find out factors of the 16. So this is the method of the multiplications. Now 16 1 ja 16. 1 is the common factor of the all the multiplications or the divisions. Now if you divide 16 by 2, then you get the 2 8 ja 16. You can't multiply 60 by 3, so here you have a question mark. Now 4 4 ja 16. Now 5 6 7, you can't get the answer, so here put the question mark. 8 2 ja 16 and 9 equal to nothing, put question mark. Whenever you get the answer in front of these multiplications, so here you get the 16, so write down for this. The first is 1, then after 2, then 4, because here 4 you get the answer 60. 4 4 are 60, so write down factors of the 16 is 16s are 1 2 4, again 8, then 2 already we have written, so just write down the 16. So the factors of the 16s are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now the same method, if we find out the multiplication method, the factors of the 40. 1 4 multiply 40 equal to 40. 2 multiply 20 with 40. Now 3 can't multiply, so 4 10s are 40, 5 8s are 40, then here nothing, 8 5s are 40. Then what are the factors of the 40? Then starting from 1, because here you get the answer 40, then 2 you get the answer here 40, 3 no, why? Because here you get a nothing. So 1 2 factors of the 40 are 1 2 4 5, then 8. 5 already we have written, so 10 20 and the 40. These are the factors of the 40. Now same way you can find out the factors of 32, then 42, then the here today 21 22 23 and the 24 8 20. Okay, here finding the factors by the division method. Same way you have to find out the factors by the division method. Okay, you have to find out 42. So 42 divide 1 equal to 42. If we divide 42 by 2, we get the 21. If we 42 divide by 3, then we get the 14. Okay, but we can't divide 42 by 4. Why? Because here any remainder will come, so this is can't divide by 4. Whenever divide with dividend, then we get the remainder as a 0, then that value is divisible. Okay, so here 42 divide by 6, we get the 7 and remainder nothing. 42 by 7 equal to 6. 42 by 8 nothing. 42 by 9 also we can't divide 9 by 42. We can divide, but here any remainder is present, so we can't write here. If we divide this 42 by 9, we get the remainder 0, then and then we can write here 42, but here we get the nothing. Okay, 42 divide 7, then we get the 6. 42 divide 9, we get nothing. So here the what are the factors of the 42? Starting from this side, 1, because here we get the 42. 2 3 6 7, again starting from here 14 21 and the 42. These are the factors of the 42. Now again finding the factors of the 40. Same way, 40 divide by 1 40, 40 divide by 2 20. There are the lots of key terms for this. 2 3 4 5 6, you have to learn the key terms. 2 4 6 2 4 5 6 8 and the 11 and 10. 42 9 also. 42 by 2 equal to 20. 40 by 4 equal to 10. 40 by 5 8. Okay, and then 40 by 8 equal to 5. Then 40 41. So we get the 1 2 4 5, then the 8. Then starting from this 10, 20 and the 40. Okay, now your second question number 3 is find the 16 by division method. Okay, so 16 by 1. Now exercise, find the factors of the following by multiplication method. Multiplication method means you have to follow this method. Okay, I have already explained you, so you have to write down, solve yourself 80, 30 and the 12 and the 44, 54 and the 28. Now your question number 2 is find the factors